As a student preparing for board exams, you need to fuel your brain with the right nutrients to stay focused, alert, and perform your best. A well-planned vegetarian diet can provide all the essential nutrients for optimal cognitive function. In this video, we will explore 8 vegetarian superfoods that can boost your brain power and help you excel in your exams. Superfood 1. Spinach is rich in iron, essential for healthy red blood cells and oxygenation of the brain. Iron deficiency can lead to fatigue, decreased focus, and poor cognitive performance. Add spinach to salads, smoothies, or saute it with garlic as a side dish. Spinach also contains folate, which supports memory and cognitive function. Superfood 2. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that enhance memory and cognitive function. The antioxidants in blueberries have been shown to improve communication between brain cells, boosting learning and memory. Enjoy blueberries as a snack. Add them to oatmeal or yogurt, or blend them into a smoothie. Superfood 3. Walnuts are a rich source of healthy fats, antioxidants, and minerals. They support cognitive function, memory, and mood regulation. Snack on walnuts. Add them to oatmeal or yogurt, or use walnut oil in cooking. Walnuts also contain alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 fatty acid that supports brain health. Superfood 4. Quinoa is a complete protein, rich in fiber, iron, and magnesium. It supports cognitive function, energy production, and mental clarity. Include quinoa in salads, stir-fries, or as a side dish. Quinoa's complex carbohydrates provide sustained energy and support overall brain health. Superfood 5. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that support cognitive function and memory. They also provide sustained energy and support overall brain health. Add avocado to salads, sandwiches, or blend into smoothies. Avocados contain potassium, which supports healthy blood flow to the brain. Superfood 6. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammation and improves cognitive function. Add turmeric to meals, drinks, or take supplements after consulting a healthcare professional. Curcumin has been shown to improve memory, attention, and cognitive processing. Superfood 7. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, magnesium, and healthy fats. They support cognitive function, memory, and mood regulation. Snack on pumpkin seeds. Add them to oatmeal or yogurt, or use pumpkin seed oil in cooking. Pumpkin seeds contain tryptophan, an amino acid that supports serotonin production. Superfood 8. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, which improve blood flow to the brain, boosting cognitive function and mood. Choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content and enjoy in moderation. Dark chocolate also contains magnesium, which supports neuronal function. Some other tips for students. 1. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. 2. Exercise regularly to improve cognitive function. 3. Get sufficient sleep, 7 to 9 hours, each night. 4. Manage stress through meditation, yoga, or deep breathing. 5. Eat a balanced diet that includes these 8 superfoods. Incorporating these 8 vegetarian superfoods into your diet can boost your brain power, improve focus, and support overall well-being. Remember to stay hydrated, exercise regularly, and get sufficient sleep to perform your best in board exams. Subscribe for more health and wellness content.